Leslie watching?
I'm sure. Hey, Leslie, did you bring my water out?
No, what did I do
I
with it?
don't know.
What did I do with it?
I don't know, I handed it to you when I gone and then
And then I did something with it.
disappeared. Yeah, you didn't follow me up.
Well, your daughter gave me a Dr. Pepper, so you only pay one. Oh, wow. So I have to go run and find it.
Nice.
I closed your car door.
Well, that was Lily.